In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide profile picture on LinkedIn. If you want extra privacy or just need a cleaner, more anonymous presence on LinkedIn, you can hide your profile photo so no one else can see it. I'll walk you through the exact setting to change, explain what it does, and share a few quick tips so you know what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press enter. In the results, click the official LinkedIn website. It should be the link that clearly shows linkedin.com in the URL. Once you're on LinkedIn and signed in to your account, look to the very top of the page for the navigation bar. At the top, click the Me icon. This is the small circle that shows your profile photo or a silhouette if you don't have one. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This opens your account's control center, where all your privacy and visibility options live. On the Settings page, find and click Account Preferences. This section groups together your general controls for how LinkedIn behaves and what you share. Within Account Preferences, look for the General Preferences area. In there, click Showing Profile Photos. This is the specific control that determines who can see your headshot anywhere on LinkedIn, including search results, messages, and your profile. You'll now see visibility choices. To completely hide your picture, choose No One. The moment you select No One, LinkedIn will treat your photo as private. Other people will see a generic placeholder instead of your image. In most cases, this change saves automatically. If you see a Save or Confirm button, click it, but typically you'll be all set right away. A couple of quick notes so you're clear on the impact. Hiding your profile photo does not delete it. It simply makes it invisible to others. You will still see your own photo when you're logged in, and you can return to this same setting anytime to change who can view it. If the page doesn't update immediately, refresh the browser. Also, the layout can look slightly different between desktop and mobile, but the option name, Showing Profile Photos, remains the same. That's it. You went to LinkedIn, opened Settings and Privacy from the Me menu, entered Account Preferences, opened Showing Profile Photos, and set it to No One. Your profile picture is now hidden across the platform. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to review your other privacy settings while you're here so your profile shows exactly what you want, to exactly whom you choose.